Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your daily step goal on the JustFit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the activities button down below, which is the third option. After that, you should scroll down to the steps section and tap on this button in the middle of that section. You can find this pencil icon, meaning that you can edit your daily step goal. As you can see, the default option is 8,000 steps. You can increase or decrease the amount by tapping on the minus or the plus icon. So when you are done selecting your daily goal, tap on the done button down below in order to save it. And as you can see, it has been updated automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.